Okay guys, so after taking everything apart on here, checking out all the brakes, I checked out all the hardware, which looks like shit. Brake pads look good. Does look like the caliper's starting to stick a little bit and needs replaced, but what the actual issue was, does look like it was a wheel bearing, unfortunately, because if you pull the rotor back, I don't know if you can see it there, but right in there, you got a little piece of metal sticking out, like a metal ring sticking out of the wheel bearing. Looks like it was trying to dig its way out of there. So that's what the scraping noise was, that thing moving back and forth in different positions as the wheel moves. It also seems to have gotten to the point I've got it in neutral right now, and you can't get the wheel to spin at all. So it looks like the issue with this one's going to be, I need to replace that wheel bearing.